Okay guys, I have a super quick Trader Joe's haul for you today. I went and stopped there after work because what I really wanted was some cookie butter ice cream, but they were out. They had none. In fact, they were out of most all of their ice cream. So I ended up spending about $48 and just picked up some things that I had been wanting to try for a while. So this will not be a long haul, but I thought I would share anyway. The only thing that I didn't, or that I'm not showing here, is I got one of the Cuban wraps, and I had eaten a really early lunch today, and so by the time I got off work at 3 I was hungry, and so I just ate that on the way home. So anyway, the first few things are from the freezer section. I got this chili relleno. I've never tried this from Trader Joe's before, but I think I remember watching a video and someone said they were good, so I thought I would try that. I've also never tried the coconut shrimp before, but I have watched a few channels where people get this and say it's really good, so I thought I would give it a try. I also picked up some of the shrimp toast. This is another thing that I have never tried from Trader Joe's, but I do know that I like shrimp toast in general. And I think you just bake this in the oven, so it should be super easy. This is something that I pick up probably almost every time I go, this pepperoni pizza mac and cheese bowl. It's really good. It's like pepperoni pizza and macaroni and cheese mixed together. It's so good. I like taking that for work, for lunch with a salad. I picked up 2 of the RX bars. This one is the mixed berry, and then this one is the blueberry. I like having these on hand for quick breakfasts at work when I am too busy to run down and get a hot breakfast. This dressing is another item I've been wanting to try for a while. You actually get it in the refrigerated section. It's the Green Goddess salad dressing. It says that it has avocado, green onion, cold pressed lemon juice, chives, basil, and garlic. It's vegan. It only has 20 calories per 2 tablespoons. Anyway, I like Green Goddess dressing, so I just thought I would give that a try. It looks good. I've picked this up a couple times before. This is the blueberry and pomegranate green tea. It's unsweetened tea, so it doesn't have any calories, but it's really good if you like iced tea that's unsweetened. I picked up some of the grilled seasoned white meat chicken strips. These are pretty good, and they're good to cut up and put in the kids' lunches, or I like to put them on salads for my lunches as well. And then I got some of the crunchy cookie butter. Every time I have bought cookie butter, I've always gotten the regular kind, but I know some people prefer the crunchy kind, so I just thought I would give it a try, and since I could not get the cookie butter ice cream, this was the next best thing. Next, I got some Great Northern beans. I saw a recipe in one of my cooking magazines for tuna salad that they made with like white tuna and white beans and parsley and lemon juice, so that sounded good, so I thought I would get a can of those to have on hand to make that. And then lastly, I just got some rhubarb and strawberry soda. I actually saw this on the Family Fudge. She had a can of this in a video that she recently posted, and it sounded good, so I thought I would give it a try. So that's it, just a really quick Trader Joe's haul. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.